I have been using VS Code from a long period of time, and in this video I am going to show you some settings and some extensions through which you can make your VS Code something like this, and you can code 2x faster in your VS Code. So let's begin. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Real Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. The theme which I am using is Synthwave84. You can just type for Synthwave84 in marketplace. You will get this theme. Click on set the color theme button after installing and select this theme. After that, your theme will be set to Synthwave, but you won't get this glowing text. In order to get this glowing text, open up your command palette and enable neon dreams, and it needs restart. After restarting your editor, you will get a nice glowing effect in your VS Code, but it will tell you it will give a prompt of your VS Code has been corrupted. No problem, it's this synthwave glow effect is an experimental feature, so that is why it's showing you unsupported VS Code. No problem, your VS Code would work fine. Now you can go to settings, search for title, scroll down a bit, and window title. Now you can change the title of your window, which is this. By default it's something like this, and there are some variables kind of thing in VS Code that helps you to achieve the file name, active editor short name, and a separate something, but I will do Ctrl C and Ctrl X, and I will write Visual Studio Code, save, and that's looking really very cool. And now you need to go to settings once again, go to font, and you need to set the font family to Cascadia Mono, and you will get this. But you need to install Cascadia Mono. It's by Microsoft. Install Cascadia Mono first, and you will get this a nice font in your VS Code. Also, we can change a cursor setting as well. Cursor blinking. I really like this to expand because it's like this really very smooth effect animation. And now we have done with our UI part. Now our VS Code is looking really very good. And now I am going to show you an extension called Material Icon Theme. This is for icon theme. So set one material icon, and your icon has been changed to a very cool icon. It's similar to material design. And now we have done with our UI part. Now we are going to increase now I'm going to show you some productivity extensions. First is live server. This is for live reload functionality in your HTML. So I will create HTML file to show you, and now I will just use the boilerplate, everything like that. Let's run hello, save, and right click. If you saw this, you will get an option of open with live server. Click on that. It will automatically open up a localhost 5500, and yeah, your server is running. It's creating a server for you. And if you now after hello, you can just like this. You can just write like this, hello world, save. Without refreshing your browser, everything get reloaded automatically. That's the power of live server. And you don't need to, that's really very nice extension. You don't need to just hit on the refresh button anymore. And now the most important, the extension which I like the most is import cost. This displays the import package size, something like this. If I import React from React, it shows me 7 KB and I got 2.9 KB from the React. So that's really very nice. And ES7 React Redux snippets will definitely increase your productivity. They are really very awesome. I will create a JavaScript file first in my React app. Services.js and I want to create a whole functional component or a class-based component, but I want some snippets and I will use RCC. My class component has been generated. RFCE. My functional based component has been created. I want to import React. IMR. My React has been imported. React has been imported for me. So that's really very cool. You just need to type some piece of line. You need to just type some things, shortcuts, and your whole code has been auto-generated, and that makes you so fast while coding. If you want to create many functions or many components, you can just type RCC and just get started with your component. That's really very nice. And let me check what's going on. And Prettier is an extension which I also like. So this is for CSS. I always use this for CSS and HTML. This formats your CSS and HTML file really very cool in a cool way. So if I do something like this and I do display none like this, I do like this, mixed up everything. I right click, format with Prettier. Everything has been formatted for me and it's looking really very clean code, but I know that I have, but it has how it was before very messed, but after formatting the code it has been just really format. It has been the code has been really organized and it has been formatted. So that's an automatic code formatter for you, and it is for JSX as well. I think it's for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular. Really, it's for all the main languages, important languages, almost all languages. It's for about 10 to 20 languages, and I like to, if you are a MongoDB developer, so you should have MongoDB for VS Code. If you download this, you will get this MongoDB icon here. Click on that and you will be get this your local MongoDB server. Click on connect, you get connected. Your database is visible to you now. As you can see, and there are lots of data here. You can access all the data and in a JSON format. If you want to access a document, click on that, you will get the JSON open. So ID, all that. Really, it's really very nice. If you want to do something, if you want to just code and you don't want to just around and you don't want to change your tabs, you can just click. You can just open up MongoDB from right and you can just check all the databases. That's really very nice while programming. We have made our normal VS Code editor to something like this. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well.